and as you can tell by the title of the video, this is another one of the YouTuber weekly stamping collab videos, and this week's theme was ice cream. I want to apologize in advance for sounding a little bit congested. I am getting over a cold, so I'm a little bit stuffy. I was going to do a voiceover, but I didn't think it was going to be any better by the time I needed to do the voiceover anyway, so I figured I would just go ahead and just do this. I showed you a sneak preview of what all the other ladies did for this video right before this video, and I will list their information below as always, and if you're coming to me from one of them, welcome, and I hope that you like what you see. And if you stick around, I'll show you how I did my ice cream nails. Okay, so I am starting out with a bunch of different colors on my nails. On my thumb is Bundle Monsters Astronomical. I know these are stamping polishes, just happen to be what I grabbed. I wanted bright. This is Empire Club. It's also a Bundle Monster stamping polish. This on my ring or pinky finger is Twinkle Tea's stamping polish. I don't know the name of this one. I'm gonna have to look it up and put it in the description bar below because mine don't have stickers on them. And this is Kiss Gel Strong, and it's called Peach Sorbet. I haven't seen these anymore in my dollar store lately. Let me know if any of you have dollar stores near you and you were seeing these before and you're not seeing them. But this is like a neon-y peach color, and it's not really coming across very well on camera. But it is like a neon-y peach color, and I'm going to be using 2 stamping plates. This one is a Winstonia. It's their 4th edition. I was going to link it below, but I've been doing some research. Now, I don't think this one's available anymore. I'm sorry, but I'm going to be using this image right here. And then I am using, this is from the Bundle Monster, I'm trying to remember the name of the group of plates. I think it's called Hang Loose. It was one of their summer ones. Okay, so I can't find the Beauty Big Bang stamping polish in brown, so I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Cocoa A Go Go. This is an older Sally Hansen Insta Dry. I don't think they make this color anymore, but you could use any brown stamping polish. And then I'm going to go ahead and just, I'll show you how to do one of these and then I'll do the rest off camera. But I'm going to put some, this is cuticula, around my cuticles to protect them and make my cleanup a little bit shorter. I'm just going to apply it like this. I don't really show you guys this step all that often, but this is a kind of a quick design, so oh, I forgot to tell you what is on top of each of these colors, because obviously I have something else going on top of, I tell you, this cold is getting to my head. This is Funky Fingers, and I'm not sure if this was in there. I think I got this last year, and it's called Pep Rally. And it is just clear, a clear base with all kinds of matte neon glitters. There's different size hex glitters plus different size bar glitters, and they're all kind of neon colors. And I figured it would pull in all the neons that I have on my nails right now. And I guess I'm going to do, as you can see, this liquid latex around my nails. It goes almost clear when it's dry, so I'm going to go ahead and it dries very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of them and be right back. Alright, so I'm going to start with the nails that are driest. And this plate, and I don't think I told you the number, is BMS408, and this is available individually as well as in a group, I would imagine. And there's 2 ice cream images on this plate. Okay. Here we go. I'm just going to apply some of that Cocoa Go-Go right there. I'm going to scrape. I'm going to pick up. It's not my favorite pickup. I think I waited a little too long. My lights are get in the way here. So then what I'm going to do is just use my lint roller. I wasn't liking the way that that one was scraping, so I try that again. And I think it was just my scraping and my pickup, so I just have a cotton ball with some acetone on it, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off that plate and try again. All right. I like this cafe or Cocoa Go-Go because it's got kind of a metallic look to it as well. All right, I like how that turned out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plop that on my nail here. And I kind of like this better than using a straight up black. And then I'm gonna peel off my liquid latex. And look, I don't have much cleaned up there. Okay, I'm going to clean off what's left on my lint, or on here, my lint roller. And then I'm gonna pick up this one and get my index finger. Let's see, I'm gonna grab my index finger. Whoopsie. Okay. And I'm gonna try and get these right here. And these images are pretty long actually on the Bundle Monster ones. The one's on the Winstonia, and that's the one I'm going to be using on my middle finger. So maybe I should just use this last image, and I think I'm going to use this image again on my pinky, but I'm going to use a different part of this image on my pinky. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it off with some acetone, and then apply. I don't even need to apply on the whole image because I used this upper part of the image last time. I'm going to use the lower part this time. So then it looks like it's two complete images, and it's my pinky, so there we go. Oh, and I got the bottom of my hand as well. Okay, so let's pull that off, see what we got. Very cute. Alright, and then for the middle finger, I'm going to use the middle and the middle and the ring finger. I'm going to use the same images, the same image from the Winstonia, the same image twice from this Winstonia plate. Okay, so it's going to be right here. Let's see. I'm going to scrape. Hopefully it didn't dig into that top too much. I don't like how that turned out. Give me 1 second and I will clean off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to try scraping it this way one more time. And then I think I'm going to fill the whole image too, just because there's a huge empty space at the top. I'm going to try, if it doesn't scrape nicely this way, I'm going to try a different way. Okay, that was better. Let's see. I want to go this way with it. I kind of wish it was a little darker at the top, so I think I'm going to try and pick up this top part again and maybe double stamp, because I want that chocolate to be a little bit more intense. So I'm going to go the other way with it right now. I'm going to go this way. There we go. I'm going to go that way with it. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to try and line it up. I don't know, maybe when I take this off it'll look better. Not really. I don't know. I don't know that that really looks like chocolate to me. I might come in and fill it in. I don't know. I'm not convinced. I think I'm going to use a brush later. Let me see how this next one turns out, and I think I might use a brush. Anyway, I'm going to go do the other one, and I will come back. Okay, so neither one of these were as opaque as I would have liked, so I'm going to come in with, I think I'm going to use a dotting tool. Yeah, I'm going to use a dotting tool, and I will use some of that polish that I used to stamp with. I'm going to use an angled dotting tool so that you can see what I'm doing now. And I don't know where these dotting tools came from. This was actually, I inherited some polishes and some other nail art stuff from somebody who was moving, and they were a hairdresser and they did nails as well and didn't want to take everything with them. So I inherited a lot of tools, and I'm not sure where they got them from. So I'm just going to go ahead and I don't even know if I like how this is turning out with, I don't think I have enough polish on here. Let's see. Let's try this again. So I'm just going to come in and dot in the whole thing instead of leaving this open, and I think it's going to look a little bit more like chocolate if I do that. Yeah, I definitely like this better. It needed to be a little more opaque, and it's looking a little clumpy right now, but it'll be fine when I add a top coat. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera, and I will be back at the end. I'll let you know let you see the final look. Okay, so I'm going to come in with a very heavy dose of Fast Dry Top Coat. I'm going to use L&M's Out the Door. I got that at Sally Beauty. I'm going to start with my stamped nails because they're more dry, and like I said, a very heavy dose. One, so I don't smear my stamping, and two, because there's a lot of texture with this glitter polish, and I hate texture on my nails. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give a really heavy dose of that top coat, and then now I'm going to come in, and this should even out my chocolate nails. Okay, and then I'm definitely going to do a little bit of cleanup on these two nails. And once I do the cleanup, it should look a lot better. So what I'm going to do is get my cleanup brush. And this is from Born Pretty store. I'm going to get my paper towel back, the one I did my stamping on. And I'm going to bring in my thing here. And then I'm just going to come up with that cleanup brush around the edges there. Make sure that I'm in frame so you can see what I'm doing. And it's amazing how much difference the cleanup will make. It definitely makes a difference. Okay. And I'm liking that a lot better now. And clean up around here. Okay, so this is my final look. For some reason that peach is not showing as bright as it normally is, but I like the change to the brown that I made. I think it definitely looks a little more like chocolate ice cream. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. To remind you to go check out the other ladies, and I have them linked below as I always do. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.